Hey everyone, want to share files using Mega? In this video, I'll show you how to share files on Mega step by step. Yeah, whether you're sending documents, photos, videos, or project files, Mega makes it easy to share them securely with others. First, open your web browser or the Mega desktop app and sign in to your Mega account. Make sure you're logged in before trying to share any files. Next, browse your cloud storage and locate the file you want to share. Organizing your files into folders can make them much easier to find. Once you've found the file, select it and open the available options by right-clicking the file or using the menu button. Now choose the Get Link or Share option, depending on the version of Mega you're using. Mega will generate a shareable link that you can send to other people. If available, review the sharing options before copying the link. You may be able to control who can access the file or add additional security settings. After that, copy the generated link and send it through email, messaging apps, or any other platform you prefer. I mean, anyone with the correct link and required access can open the shared file. If you no longer want others to access the file, return to the sharing settings and remove or disable the shared link, so you stay in control of who can access your files. Before sharing sensitive information, double-check that you're sharing the correct file and review your privacy settings for extra security. And that's how you share files on Mega. With these simple steps, you can securely share your cloud files with friends, coworkers, or clients whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.